The Google Translate app lets you point a phone camera at a street sign and it translates the sign for you. This is a good example of a combination of several models that is quite intuitive. One model to find the sign, another model to read the sign, to do optical character recognition on it, a third model to translate the sign, or maybe a third model to detect the language and a fourth model to translate the sign, and a fifth model to superimpose the translated text, perhaps even a sixth model to select the font to use. Smart Reply is a feature of Inbox and Gmail where the email program suggests 3 possible responses to received emails. This is, in my view, the most sophisticated ML model in production today. Why do you think that is? It's a sequence-to-sequence model. In other words, it takes a received email as an input and generates a response to the email as the output. And text, as we'll see later in this specialization, is usually thought of as a sequence of words. The machine learning model here needs to understand a small body of text, the incoming email, and predict 3 dissimilar answers. We will look at sequence models in the last but one course of this specialization. We have lots of ground to cover before we get there.